Hi everyone and welcome back to Willy and Olia's channel. Today I want to share with you our first experiences with our cockatiel flying all around.
I love you so very much.
As new pet bird owners, we were watching tons of videos on everything about cockatiels, the right food, the right training, but when the time came to her taking off, it was really scary. One of these days, Kiwi was just sitting on the side of the couch as I was running some errands around the house. All of a sudden, I hear the noise of the wings flapping. As soon as I run back to the kitchen, I see her on top of the shelves. Kiwi, how am I supposed to get you from there? Kiwi, come here. Come here, Kiwi. I understand you have passion for power. This living on the edge, Quinoa. Don't worry, she was absolutely safe because everything at the kitchen was turned off. And an important thing to remember, I do not have her out of the cage in case I'm cooking. That's just a habit that I gained when becoming a pet bird owner. We, for example, have net covers on all of our windows at all times. Kiwi is used to it. She's used to the flow of the fresh air. In case you are trying to teach your bird how to fly or train her, do not have open windows unless you have something protective for her to not fly away. Don't! Yes. Where are you heading, miss? So, our surfaces around in the room where her cage is at are safe. Windows have protecting covers. But we still had the question in our heads, how safe it's gonna be for her to learn how to fly and to be able to run around the house, to let her fly. So this happens when she sees bugs, bees, or any wasps. You are so cute! Number one priority should be the health and safety of your bird. So we are excited to see her develop well and grow and be able to fly, as it is the natural habitat and the blessing that the birds are born with. In this video, I just wanted to share this exciting news of Kiwi starting to fly around. I'm so happy that her wings grew out healthy and her tail is nice and long and she keeps growing and developing. Please like and subscribe for more because we appreciate when you do, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye! Spider-bird, spider-bird does whatever spider-bird does. Spider-bird, spider-bird